Hi, my name is Mihir Kelkar and I'll be running my course project on AWS. So my group name is Group 6 and the members are myself, Gautam Oja, Anshul Goenka and Aishwarya Sahani. So the steps which I had followed to run the course project are as follows. First, I created an EC2 instance on AWS and then ran the instance. After that, I installed Docker on that instance, on that EC2 instance. After that, I pulled my Docker image from Docker Hub onto that instance, and then I just ran that image. I'll demonstrate that to you. So in this case, I have already connected to my EC2 instance using SSH. I'll just pull that image using the docker pull command. Oh, I forgot sudo. So it's pulling the image. It's done pulling. The Now I'll just check if it's there. Yes, it's there. Okay, I'll just run the image now. Oh, I really forgot sudo. Need to copy the image ID. So what this command does is that it will run the image specified with this ID on the local network, on the local host of this EC2 instance. So one thing about Docker images is that every Docker image runs on its own container. So I'll just start running it. As you can see, the server is online. So I'll show the actual how it looks on the server. So here is the interface for the course project. As you can see, there are two options provided, one for each algorithm, CORD and CAN, of course. I will not go into the details of all of the options in each of the algorithms since there are almost five to six options. All of these options with their outputs are explained in detail in the README. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching.